Hi everyone, in the den today we have a nice Porsche Cayenne Turbo in for a single stage machine polish and a 12-month ceramic coating. There'll be more after this. So yeah, this is in for single stage and a 12-month coating. It's not in bad condition. Needs a full wash decon. Everything first. Should get done today, and then probably get the coating, well, the machining and coating done tomorrow. An interior valet as well. It's not too bad in there anyway. Customer mainly wants to focus on the exterior, so I'll show you some more once I get some done. So just going to do the wheels. We've got HD Car Care wheel cleaner, dilutable, which is always nice when you buy a product that you can dilute down and make more than you actually buy. So spray of that. Leave it to dwell for a bit, and then we use a Easy Detail brush, along with, this is a work stuff detail brush, and then for the tyres we've got just a tyre wall brush, and we'll be using HD Car Care all-purpose cleaner for the tyres. So we'll I'll give these a scrub, give the tyres a scrub, and I'll come back to you in a minute. So there we go, all scrubbed and cleaned. I've also done the wheel arches with the APC and the EZ Detail Go brush, I think it is, something like that. So let's get it all rinsed off. Some clean barrels, arches are clean, need a bit more of a rinse in there, but let's get the other three done and then get onto the body. Just wanted to say, one thing I do like about this HD Car Care wheel cleaner is how much it throughs up. Actually looks like you're actually getting some muck off there because of how much dirt comes off in the trough. Also protects the wheels as you're cleaning them, so you've got that extra layer between the muck in the actual suds and the paint on your wheels. Smells good, does what it needs to do, works well. There'll be more later. Car's now snow foamed with HD, again, cinnamon snow foam. Love this stuff, smells great, does the job that you need it to do. You don't need a lot in the bottom. And it's just going to dwell for a bit. I'll rinse it off and then get washing. See you in a bit. So now washed, and now I've got HD car care fallout remover version 2 on there. So this will draw out all the iron fallout from brakes, rail, you name it. They usually go red when it bleeds out, but you won't see it on the black paint. I'll try and insert a picture so you can see what it looks like when it's bleeding. This is on the wheels, paint, glass, everything. So leave this to dwell, rinse it off, and then get onto the tar and glue stage, then the clay bar stage, then another snow foam, rinse, and get it inside and dry, and then start machine polishing. I'll pick up again in a bit. So this is the tar and glue remover stage, HD car care tar remover. This will get rid of all the small tar deposits. I'll leave it to dwell for a minute and then go around with a cloth just to get all the deposits off before it comes to clay barring. Otherwise they clog up the clay bar, and it just wastes your time really with the clay bar. So there'll be some more in a little while. So a question I get asked quite a lot is, what's the difference between a detailer and a valeter or hand wash? Here's a example. This is the jacking point cover, and as you can see, it's absolutely caked in mud, sand, and all sorts. It can't have ever been cleaned by the looks of it. So this is something I'd always take off to clean around and clean out really, but it can't have been doing the chassis any good on the car. But it'll be all cleaned, scrubbed. The cover will be polished and replaced back on the car, ready for it to get filthy again. Be more in a bit. So we're all clay barred now. That's everything that's come off the car onto the clay bar. As you can see, it's not as filthy as it could be if I hadn't got rid of all the tar deposits. The clay bar I was using was from a company called AM Details. It's AM Clay. It's one of the best clay bars I've found. It uses water as a lubricant, so you don't have to have a special lubricant with it. But there'll be some more in a bit. Right, all washed, dried inside. The paint's now ready to machine polish now. As you can see, there's a few wash marring marks, light scratches, hedge scratches, you name it, on the bodywork. I'm hoping a single stage will get rid of the majority of these. It's going to be 80% better. There's going to be some deep scratches that probably won't be removed, but I'll do what I can for what the customer's requested. I've also dried the engine bay out. I'll get that dressed as just a freebie for the customer. Always nice to throw in a little bit more detail, and I'll show you some more once I've done some machining. Morning guys, sorry I forgot to pick up the camera this morning. I've started the machine polishing now. As you can see, it's coming up quite nicely. Here's some that's already done, and then as you can see, you get into all the hazy scratches all around here. But over here, clarity is a lot better. Probably could do with 3-stage machine polish, but it's only booked in for a single stage. But it's coming up nicely. So at the moment I'm using Surface P12 from a company called Concept. It's Concept Chemicals, sorry. Very good compound. It is a heavy cut, but it diminishes down to a fine paste. So you can do a full cut really on just this to get this quality. So So I'll show you some more in a bit. So guys, here she is, all machined, coated, 12-month Zirconite coating, ZC booster it was. Looking extremely glossy. Very nice. So cue the montage.